Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 202 happy number. So here is given a number n. You have to find whether the number is happy number or not. So the happy number can be defined as you have to start with the positive integer n, means the given number is positive integer, and you have to replace it with the sum of square of a digit. Okay, means if it is a 19, then you have to replace the 19 with 1 square plus 9 square, which is 82. So you just replace the n with the 82. Okay, and you have to do until the number will become 1. Okay, so if it has become 1, then you just have to return the true, and if it is not, then you just have to return the false. So this will, if it is true, then means it is a happy number, and if it is not, then it is a not happy number. So in example 2, n equals to 2. So if you do the square of 2, which will not become 1, so this will return the false. Okay, you have to check whether the number is happy or not, and happy is defined in 3 ways. So let's do this. First I will create an ordered map, unordered set, which is type int set. Okay, and then I will do while n is not equals to 1 and uh, set dot count is n, then s dot set dot insert n equals to next number, which will like create the function, and after this I just return n equals to 1. Let's create the function next number, which is int next number, int n, int new number equals to 0, and while n modulo 0, int num equals to n modulo 10, new number will be plus equals to num into num. This will new number will store the square of the digit, and after this you just have to do n equals to n modulo 10. Okay, after this ending of loop you just have to return the new number. Let's run this code. Okay, there isn't 3 equals to. Again run this code. This code works fine. Let's submit this. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.